Are you doing okay? Today I want to ask you a question. Do you know what happiness is? This is a question that may seem simple, but the answer can be more complex than we think. After all, what is happiness? How can we define this wonderful feeling that we all seek in our lives? Well, the truth is that happiness can have different meanings for each person and can be found in different ways. For some, it may be the realization of a dream, while for others, they find happiness in a simple moment, like a smile, a hug, or a pleasant conversation. Happiness can be finding inner peace, while for others, it may be achieving an important goal. But one thing is certain, happiness is one of the most important sensations that we can experience in our lives, and everyone deserves to feel it at some point. So if you are seeking happiness in your life, I invite you to keep watching this video because I will share with you some valuable tips that can help you find happiness in your daily life. Let's embark on this journey together in search of happiness. Happiness is one of the most wonderful sensations that we can experience in our life. It is a state of mind that makes us feel good about ourselves and the world around us. It is a mixture of joy, peace, satisfaction, gratitude, and love that fills us with positive energy and makes us feel alive and fulfilled. Here are 10 items that can help you find happiness. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the best ways to cultivate happiness in your life. Take time to be thankful for the good things you have in your life. Be kind to yourself. Learn to treat yourself with kindness and compassion, as you would treat a dear friend. Recognize your qualities and value your achievements. Maintain positive relationships. Cultivate healthy and positive relationships with friends and family who support you and make you happy. Do activities that make you happy. Discover activities that bring you pleasure and joy and set aside time to practice them regularly. Live in the present moment, enjoy the present, and focus on the here and now. Don't worry about the future or get stuck in the past. Practice meditation or mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness can help you connect with the present moment and find inner peace. Try something new. Challenge yourself to try something new, whether it's a new hobby, activity, or adventure. This can help you break out of your routine and bring new perspectives to life. Have a purpose. Having a purpose or goal in life can bring meaning and satisfaction. Discover what's important to you and work to achieve it. Help others. Helping others can bring satisfaction and purpose, as well as make a difference in someone's life. Practice self-care. Take care of yourself physically and emotionally. Get enough sleep, exercise regularly, eat well, and set aside time to relax and recharge. These are just a few of the many ways to find happiness in your life. Remember, happiness is a continuous journey, so enjoy each moment and find happiness wherever it may be. One way or another, happiness is a constant pursuit in human life, and everyone deserves to feel that wonderful sensation. It's important to remember that happiness is within our reach, we just need to seek it in our own experiences and cultivate it in our daily lives. After all, life is too short not to be happy. Studies have shown that happiness has positive effects on our physical and mental well-being, including reducing stress, increasing self-esteem, and improving the immune system. Additionally, happiness is contagious and can inspire other people to seek the same sensation in their lives. This happens because happiness is a state of mind that has a powerful impact on our lives. When we are happy, our body and mind feel lighter and more relaxed, which helps us cope better with stress and anxiety. Moreover, happiness gives us a sense of well-being and confidence in ourselves, which boosts our self-esteem and makes us feel more capable of facing challenges. But that's not all. Happiness also has positive effects on our physical health, strengthening our immune system and helping us recover more quickly from illnesses and injuries. This happens because when we are happy, our body releases hormones such as endorphins and dopamine, which help combat inflammation and pain. And it doesn't stop there. Happiness is also contagious and can inspire others to seek the same feeling in their own lives. When we are happy, our energy and positivity spread to those around us, creating a more harmonious and healthy environment. So, there is no doubt that happiness is one of the most valuable things we can have in our lives. And the best part is that it is within our reach. We just need to cultivate it in our daily lives and share it with those around us. We hope that this video has been inspiring for you, and that it has helped you realize the importance of happiness in your life. Remember that happiness is not just a fleeting emotion, but a state of mind that can be cultivated and maintained with daily practices. No matter what life brings you, always try to find joy in the simple things and happy moments. Value your relationships, practice gratitude, and seek out activities that bring you joy and satisfaction. Above all, know that you deserve to be happy and that you can find happiness in every aspect of your life. So, don't wait any longer to start living a happier and more fulfilling life. Let's together seek the happiness we all deserve. If you know someone who is feeling sad or discouraged, share this video with them. Happiness can be contagious and help brighten the sadness of those going through difficult times. Show them how happiness can bring benefits to their life and inspire them to find joy in the simple things in their daily life. Together, we can help spread the message that everyone deserves to be happy and that happiness is within our reach. We just need to seek it. So, don't hesitate to share this video with that special person who needs a little bit of joy in their life. Let's spread happiness together.